How to use Game Dashboard on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now I'm currently using the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but this should also work on Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. So the Game Dashboard is a built-in tool that helps improve your gaming experience. It's great if you want to do quick screen recording of your gameplay, or you want to take screenshots of your game, or you want to turn on the Do Not Disturb feature, or you want to see the game achievements, or you can even turn on the FPS in your game so you can see the frame rate while you're gaming. Also, it's very customizable. So to get started, first go to Settings. In the search bar, search for Game Dashboard. Now it should show here in the list. Click on Game Dashboard. Now turn on Use Game Dashboard and use the floating icon. Now when you get into a game, I'm gonna go to the Blockbuster here. Click here. Inside the game, you will see this arrow. You can click on it. Now you can click on this controller icon. Now in the game dashboard, you can choose to live stream your gameplay. You can record your gameplay. You can take screenshots. So here, this is for taking screenshots. This is for recording. This is for FPS. This is do not disturb. So now you exit. If you want to take a screenshot, you click here. This will take a screenshot. It's not going to take a screenshot of this like control panel. If you want to record your gameplay, just click here and then you can start recording. You can turn on these different options. Then click start. Now here there's also an option that we turned on an option that says do not disturb, so we won't be getting any notifications from any apps. This also shows the FPS. Now this doesn't always work. Some games don't support showing FPS, so that's fine. But that's it for the game dashboard. I hope this video was useful, and thanks for watching.